Good boy.
You're a really good big brother.
You're doing really good, Luke.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
Thank you. It's the first time he's ever said thank you for a compliment.
You're a good brother.
Oh, she cries every time you take it away. You know why? She's really hungry. Real hungry.
What's that?
We don't know who that is. Who do you...
Who's that?
We don't know who that is. Who do you think it is?
My milk. See? My milk?
Mm-hmm.
Hi. Happy bear.
A bear. Busy. She's gonna cry. Give it back to her. She's still hungry.
What?
Good boy.
You're so smart.
Yeah,
You are. Yeah, you're a really good big brother.